Our 1937 Terraplne Cab Pickup Express, in our opinion, is the most beautiful pickup ever produced. In this episode of Carz Plus, we are featuring it with still shots from the beginning of its restoration, then to exterior and interior video, and on to factory accessories and aftermarket accessories. Stay tuned, you'll also see a full demonstration of the auto clutch and electric hand system with all the attendant sounds of the vehicle. In the upcoming portion of this video, there's not going to be any music, there's not going to be any voiceover, there will be some subtitles. What we're going to do is take you on a drive in the Terraplne as if you are with me in the vehicle and understand exactly how the electric hand and auto clutch system works. The first portion of this particular demonstration will show you that the vehicle can be operated with both the auto clutch and electric hand, but I will use the clutch in such a way that I modulate it out when the auto clutch releases. The reason I do this is it gives a smoother getaway than if I let the automated system work. However, the entire automated system on the vehicle does in fact work as intended. Later in the video, we will show you starting from rest with no use of the clutch whatsoever and cycling up through all 3 gears. The system, when it does that, does give a slightly jerky start. That jerky start is controlled by what is known as a pendulum valve. The pendulum valve is in a triangular housing directly on the auto clutch cylinder. That particular valve, if the car starts to stall, swings and allows back into the auto clutch cylinder, which then disengages momentarily the engine from the driveline, allowing it to stop from stalling. This will happen a couple of times possibly unless you're really good at easing out your gas when you start the vehicle. However, it does show you that the 1937 high technology did in fact work. Enjoy.